Yeah. Telephone.
Alexander. Oh no, he wants that too.
Of course. They want whatever the other one has.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Nice. You have to be gentle, Luca. You share your toys. Share. He just wants to see it.
It's always like that, isn't it? They always want the same thing. It's everybody.
Until through their entire life.
Yeah. Look. Oh no, Alexander.
Luca, you share. Show him the telephone.
Let's have a look if you have something else.
Yeah.
Oh no, let me find something else to replace.
Here, let's see.
Maybe this one.
I've been missing that.
The other one.
This one?
No, that other. Maybe that one.
This thing?
Oh no, probably not. It's not as interesting. Oh, what about the wooden one?
This thing.
Yeah. I don't know.
Look, a ducky.
Ah, because
but
it's
he
like
gave it to him.
Because it's like the phone. I just realized.
Oh. See?
And Alexander loves phones.
So does Luca. Loves my phone. There's a duck. Luca, what does a duck say? Quack, quack.
Oh. Alexander.
Oh, God. You're hungry.